Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the watch is charged above 50% and paired to your phone. This prevents interruptions during transfer. Once paired, open the official Noise or Companion app on your phone. The app is the pathway for sending wallpapers. Prepare the image next. Crop or resize to the watch's optimal resolution so it won't be distorted. While you do that, keep Bluetooth enabled and the app open. This reduces the chance of losing connection and speeds up the process. Now go into the app's watch face or wallpaper area and tap Add or Customize to import the image you prepared. You'll crop, zoom, and rotate the picture so key elements sit inside the safe area. Use 1:1 or 16:9 presets if shown. Once positioned, choose static or dynamic options and adjust brightness or contrast so the display looks good under different lighting. Make sure to preview on the phone. This is your last chance to tweak before transfer. Finally, tap Apply or Sync and watch the transfer progress. Do not close the app until it finishes. Once the sync completes, look at the watch face for correct alignment, color accuracy, and responsiveness to taps and gestures. If the image appears cropped or low quality, reboot the watch and repair Bluetooth, then retry the sync. If that fails, re-export the image at a higher resolution or try a different file format. This single troubleshooting step resolves most transfer glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.